Hello, magandang umaga sa ating mga mahal na Virgo with the element of earth. Yan, bibigyan ko kayo, what's the message for you from our universe, from the universe, okay? From your ancestors, spirits, spirit guides from heaven, okay? Dalawang tarot ang gagamitin ng Lola. Isa is for your private life, okay? It has something to do about your family, relationship, if you are married, children, have children, brothers and sisters, friends, okay, neighbors, yan, okay. So, yung padalawang tarot is for your career, okay? So, tingnan natin ha, the message for our dear Virgo. Yan. Salamat sa inyo subscribe, likes, comments, yan ha. Kung bago kayo sa aking channel, welcome po cross watchers. Welcome po. Yan ha. Okay. The feelings is mutual. Okay? The feelings is mutual. Sa tinatawag na the Two of Pentacles. Yan, okay. Ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, meron dito ang tinatawag na pet lovers. Mahilig sila sa tinatawag na pag-aalaga ng hayop. Okay? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na nakaka-relate sila sa mga hayop and they take good care of their animals. Okay? And yung tinatawag yung pet nila, yung mga pet nila, tinatawag na they adored, their pet adores them. Okay? Na nababasa ng pet the emotions of the Virgo. Yan ha? And their pets are very, very happy. Okay? Pagka sa tinatawag na presensya ng mga Virgo. Okay? So whatever is this sa tinatawag na Knight of Swords, there is tinatawag a travel, a short trip travel, planning for a short trip travel, okay? Ngayong darating na summer, okay? Itong travel na ito has something to do, hindi kayo alone. I see you're not alone, okay? You are not alone, you are with somebody, okay? The same. Ibig sabihin, the same aura, the same energy. Maybe it's your partner, your asawa, your girlfriend, your friends, kung sino man ito, siblings. Okay, yan. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na you're on the same vibration. Yan ha, okay. For some of you, nakikita dito, you're also a hunter. Okay? Hunting for good opportunities. Yan. Lumabas ang tinatawag na the Queen of Wands. Yan ha, gaganyan ko para kita. Yan ha, okay. Dito, you're a hunter. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, if there is an opportunity will open, you will grab it. Yan ha? Okay. So, it's about your personal goals. Okay? So, for some of you, nakikita dito, there is an activity. Yan ha? There is a celebration. Okay? So, tinatawag na coming summer. Okay? Maybe it has something to do about your sandali lang ha, nakikita ko dito creative. Okay? Creativity, maybe it has something to do about hobbies, your hobbies, di ba? Okay? So, maaring dito tinatawag na there is a anong tawag dito? Celebration, banding with friends. Okay? Yan. There is something to celebrate. Yan ha. So, malaki, it's like malaking ito, pagkikita ha. Yan. So, sandali lang ha. Meron dito, for some of you, nakita, you're a warrior. Okay? Yan o. You're a warrior. Okay? It's like, ikaw ang breadwinner in the family. Diba? Yan o. This person is the breadwinner in the family. A leader. Nakikita dito yung kanya tinatawag na leadership. Pagiging analytical. Okay? Para sa mga mahal na Virgo. Meron dito tinatawag na the Nine of Pentacles. Yan. The money. The wealth behind. Okay? Tinatawag na the Virgo. Okay? So, ano ibig sabihin nitong tinatawag na the Nine of Pentacles. Yan. Okay? So, meron for some of you here is tinatawag na whatever is this, dahil nakikita ko dito the Five of Wands, there is a promotion, whatever. Nakikita ko lang, there is a promotion, okay? Acknowledgement in the summer, that will happen in the summer. Ibig sabihin nito, maybe it has something to do about your job. Yan ha? So, and also nakikita ko dito, yan, maybe there is a tinatawag na building relationship, okay? Team up, okay? Collaborate, may magko-collaborate sa inyo, okay? Gustong magkaroon ng commitment sa inyo, okay? It's like tinatawag, sama ako sa adventures mo, Virgo, okay? So there is a travel. Yan, short trip travels lang ito, okay? Napipinto ngayong tinatawag na the summer, okay? So whatever is this, nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag na ano itong binibuild up mo. Let's say sabihin na nating friends, 'di ba? Let's say you are building up a friends relationship, the trust, okay? The trust, the love. Yan, no? Yan, nakikita dito, ha? Okay? Kita ninyo. Success. Yan, ha? Success. Sa tinatawag na building a relationship. Okay? Yan. So, meron dito tinatawag na, let's say, sabihin na natin, pareho silang the same sex. Okay? Maybe, pareho silang lesbian. Okay? So, ano pa? Last card na po tayo, ha? Meron ditong tinatawag, the Ten of Swords. Okay? Yan. Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. Okay? You are running away. Saan ito? You are running away. Ibig sabihin ito, for some of you, nakikita ko, gusto nyo yan tinatawag na time up. Yan. Time up muna. Yan, ha? Kaya dito, you are planning for a travel. It's like tinatawag, ako muna pagod na. It's too much. Okay? It gets on my nerves. Yan, ha? Okay? So, maaaring for some of you, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, you are, okay? Maybe, sa paglalakbay ninyo, okay? There is an opportunity na ito is tinatawag, may makita kayo, okay? Kasi narito ang hunter, okay? It's like tinatawag sa pagta-travel ninyo, kung ito man yung tinatawag na anong tawag dito, yung bakasyon. It's like para nagtutur ka, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito, there is an opportunity. Yan, ha? Na ibig sabihin nito na magbubukas sa inyo, okay? Merong opportunity magbubukas sa inyo. Yan, ha? So, nakikita ko dito wala namang problema sa tinatawag na family. It's like your family is in good hand. It's ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag well-provided ang family. Maybe the Virgo is the breadwinner. Okay? Pero nakikita mo the Virgo is thinking. Okay? Okay? Kumbaga dito, when there is an opportunity opening, she will grab it. Okay? So, maari ito yung mangyari in the summer dahil in the summer, maaring ito'y accidental, may makita ka, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na lilisanin mo na, okay? Kung ano man ito nagpapabigat sa buhay mo, okay? So, nakikita ko dito masyadong concern ang tinatawag na the Virgo about their money, finances. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag ay palagi siyang kailangang handa. Okay? Tinatawag na palagi siyang may ipon. Yan, ha? Napaka-importante sa kanya ng tinatawag na savings. Kailangang handa siya. Okay? Yan. Kung kaya dito nakikita yung tinatawag harmony relationship. Okay? Synchronization sa kanyang family. Wala. It's like the family of the Virgo they are healthy and they are tinatawag na masaya. Okay? Masaya, walang problema. Okay? Yan. So whatever is this, Virgo needs tinatawag na break up. Okay? Time out. Yan, ha? So kaya nga meron tinatawag trouble. Okay? When opportunity knocks, Virgo will grab it. Okay? Yan. So punta tayo sa tinatawag na career ng mga mahal na Virgo. Okay? nakikita ko dito, maybe tinatawag sa pagta-travel ninyo, okay? Kasama na rin yung it's like tinatawag, sabihin natin ang travel ninyo is gusto lang ninyong mag-unwind, di ba? Pero kasama na rin dito yung tinatawag na malay ninyo, okay? Parang nag-aay kayo, okay? Parang may mga inaay kayo, let's say in the city, yan, in another places. At the same time, it's like tinatawag babakasyon, naghahanap ng tinatawag na oportunidad, di ba? Yan, malay mo, okay? Malay ninyo. Kasi nakikita mo dito, very, maraming responsibilities ang tinatawag na Virgo. Okay? Maraming responsibilities. Kung kaya dito nakikita, itong Virgo na ito is naaasahan. Yan, naaasahan siya. Okay? Na pera ang Virgo na ito. Yan, no? Winding la 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 la, trying to be free. Since you went away, the world is closing in on me. Ano ito? Ibig sabihin nito, freedom. Yan, in your career. Okay? Knowing you'll be there. Malay natin, sa tinatawag pagbabaka sakali ninyo, di ba? Pero nakikita dito, your career is booming. Yan, ibig sabihin nito, yan, as the times goes by, magkakaroon ng tinatawag, hard work pays off. You will be recognized. Yan, ha? Your career, ibig sabihin nito, dahil ito ay 9 of materials, ha? Okay? Meron ditong, ang nakikita ko dito ay, sandali lang, ha? In the summer, okay? In the summer, maari ito ay, sabihin nating, promotion, di ba? A promotion, a very big blessings, okay? In your career. Yan, ha? It's like tinatawag magkakaroon ng freedom, okay? Yan. It's like the choice is yours, di ba? Okay, receive this abundance. Kaya dito, umiikot-ikot, di ba? It's like tinatawag na sa pag-ikot ng panahon, okay? Ikaw ay lulutang din. Pupunta ka rin sa tinatawag na itaas. Yan, ha? So, dito, ayan, nakita mo, magiging mabango ang inyong tinatawag na career. Yan. Your career. Okay, para kang rosas, 'di ba? It's like, ang daming papuri, ang daming tinatawag na, yan, no? Kita ninyo, success, yan, ha? Your career is babango, okay? So, nakikita dito abundance, okay? A lot of blessings in your career, okay? That the 8 of emotions, it's about the time for Thanksgiving, okay? Yan. Dito ibig sabihin nito, unknown. Okay? It's like you are accepting a new proposition. You are accepting a new work, a new job, a new project. Yan, na. Kung ano man ito, kasi meron dito tinatawag, it's like tinatawag promotion, upgrading your positions, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nitong the 8 of emotions is very, very unknown sa inyo, okay? Whatever is this, very, very unknown sa inyo. Pero kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, ito ang magbibigay sa iyo ng tinatawag na freedom, okay? Sa iyong career. Magbibigay sa iyo ng tinatawag na abundance, luck, okay? Very, very unknown. Yan, no? Ibig sabihin, it's like tinatawag, humarap ka na din, eh. Yan, ha? It's very, very challenging. It's, let's say, unknown, maybe you will be relocated, maybe you will work in another place, maybe you will work in another company with the new people, di ba? A new colleagues, a new boss, di ba? Very, very unknown. Yan. Pero nakikita dito yung ayan, kita mo, discover your destiny. Yan, ha? Okay. Yan. So, maganda, ha? It's about your career. Yan. So, ano ito? Your 7 of emotions. Okay? Ibig sabihin ito, don't worry. You're in good hands. Okay? Sa tinatawag na 7 of emotions. Ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, yan, will be presented to you. Abundance. Ano ang reward dito? It's like you are waiting. Okay? It's about your career. You are waiting. Pero ito na. Yan, no? Yan, no, kita mo. Puro bulaklak. Puro abundance. Yan, no, kita mo. A promotion, upgrading, tinatawag na increase ng wages. Yan. Okay? Or yung tinatawag recognition, maybe you will receive recognition, tinatawag na certificate, okay? Yan.